What's good, people? Back again with another video. As always, at the start of every single video, I've got to ask everyone to please like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get straight into this one. How much height do they add? And it's a pair of Jordan 1 highs. Just going to spin that around before it annoys me. Obviously we've got the black and white highs. I've got my trusty tool. I shouldn't knock over the tripod. So usually this bit here is basically where the glue is and it puts the sole. So basically we can measure the sole from around here to give us a good idea. And if we do that, it's about, say about, blimey, I'm having a nightmare here, 0.9 and 0.9, yeah, about 0.9 of an inch, so not really an inch of height. 23 millimeters of height it will add, so like 2.3 centimeters. I expected a bit more, but that's a bit confusing. Maybe my measurements are a bit off, but it seems quite right to me. It's more or less around the same as Dunks in terms of adding height. It is more or less the same insole, sole, bottom, whatever you want to call it. Just to compare, it's crazy. But yeah, that's the Jordan 1 high. How much height does it add? I've got lots of other videos. I'll put a playlist, I'll link it somewhere, and hopefully carry on bringing more how much height does it add videos. Take care, my people.